Imagine a drink that's not only vibrant and refreshing, but also packed with fruits, flavors, and a splash of fun. Yes, it's time to raise your glasses because National Sangria Day is here. This special day celebrates the iconic fruit-infused wine beverage that brings joy, color, and even a hint of health benefits to every sip. Whether you're lounging by the beach, hosting a festive gathering, or simply relaxing at home, Sangria has a way of turning ordinary moments into memorable experiences. What is Sangria? Sangria is a traditional Spanish and Portuguese drink made from red or white wine combined with fresh fruits like oranges, lemons, apples, berries, and sometimes a splash of brandy or sparkling water. Its origins trace back to Spain, but over the years, it has spread worldwide, capturing hearts with its fruity aroma, vibrant colors, and refreshing taste. Which countries celebrate it? While Sangria originated in Spain and Portugal, National Sangria Day is popularly observed in the United States and various English-speaking countries that celebrate quirky food and drink holidays. Bars, restaurants, and social media platforms light up with colorful sangria recipes every December 20th, making it a day of fun, flavor, and festive cheer. Health and wellness benefits. Sangria isn't just about fun. It has some surprising benefits. Rich in antioxidants, red wine and fruits like berries and citrus provide antioxidants that may help combat free radicals. Weight and metabolism friendly when consumed in moderation. Sangria is a lighter alternative to sugary cocktails, offering hydration and fruit nutrients. Mood booster. The vibrant colors and fruity flavors are psychologically uplifting, promoting relaxation and social enjoyment. Vitamin power. Citrus fruits add a healthy dose of vitamin C, supporting immunity during festive seasons. Fun facts. The word sangria comes from the Spanish word sangre, meaning blood, referring to its deep red color. Sangria can be made with white, Ross, or sparkling wine, each offering a unique twist. It's perfect for parties because you can pre-mix large batches, letting the flavors melt together for maximum taste. How to enjoy sangria on National Sangria Day. Use seasonal fruits like pomegranate, apples, or citrus slices. Chill the wine and fruits for a few hours to enhance flavor. Add a splash of soda or sparkling water for a fizzy twist. Serve in transparent pitchers or glasses to showcase the vibrant colors. Pair with light snacks or tapas for a festive touch. This National Sangria Day, don't just sip, celebrate. Share your favorite sangria recipes, tag friends, and post your colorful creations on social media. Try different fruit combinations, experiment with sparkling or white wine, and see how each sip can brighten your day. Remember, moderation is key, but the fun and flavor are unlimited. Cheers to sangria, color, health, and happiness!